Hello guys, congratulations Vishnu Priya for shortlisting in Zoroastrian Bank.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So guys, Vishnu Priya recently got shortlisted with Zoroastrian Bank. Today she is leaving for Mumbai to join Zoroastrian Bank. So before that, I would like to know your journey from Taxila to Zoroastrian Bank.
So here I came Taxila in 2022 in August. Our batch starts from the August, and from there we had 9 to 9 classes where we learn our marketing, finance, and the operation. And after that, in February we have winter internship for 2 months. And after that we choose our specialization, what specialization we will take. So I took marketing and finance as my specialization. After that, in July month we have a summer internship, and after summer internship we had regular placement classes and the mock interview, which helped me to crack interview in Zoroastrian Bank. And we had also content creation class, which helped me to create content to get shortlisted in Zoroastrian Bank.
Okay, that's great. And before that, how was your journey from, you're from Begusarai, right?
Yes, ma'am, I'm from
How was your
Begusarai.
journey from Begusarai to Taxila?
So I have done my bachelor and masters from in economics from Tilkamanji University, Bhagalpur. My hometown is Begusarai, but I was living in Bhagalpur for my study, and from there I decided to explore in my career. So for that, first I have worked for 6 months in FMCG sector to understand about the organization, like how organization working, and for working organization as a higher post, what skills you need. And then I decided to pursue PGDM. So I took admission in Taxila Business School.
That's really great. So any advice from you to your juniors that you would like to share?
Yeah, sure. So my advice for my junior is that as much as you can read newspaper, books, so it will help you to enhance your content, in the same time your communication also. So if you have content with you, cracking any interview will be easy for you, and the same time you have to update with the industry trend. And if you are sitting for the interview and which industry you are sitting for, you have to knowledge about the industry also and what is the growth of that industry. So these are the important things to crack any interview.
That's really great. So I would like to know what, like you must be having mixed feelings when you're leaving Taxila.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
particular memory you have in mind that you would like to share?
Yes, ma'am. In Taxila, we have a couple of events which I shared with my fellow mates. So I want to mention our cultural fest, last Lamhe. I will miss that memory. So that was our last fest which we celebrated with our junior and with our batchmate. So I'll surely miss the last Lamhe.
Thank you so much, and wishing you all the best.
Thank you so. But I was not in TEDx. That's why. Thank you so much, ma'am, for having me.
Thank you, wishing you all the best, and have a good journey. May you be a future leader.
Thank you so much, ma'am.